DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. We done there in the lab, you know. You see me and say gang, you don't have to explain what more we in the lab. You see me, mad reactions and mad videos are mad bangers are found when we in the lab. You see me, you don't know when the lab at work, we are go to work. And a chicken, we are jerk. You see me? And today you see where we're on it, we're there with the artist, man. Are going good. You see me? First it was GLA 600. You see me? Then after that it was what? Ray Rico. I actually got requested to do this song before Ray Rico. You see me? But we just not getting around to it. Yeah man, Area Code, one of them Grand Rising. People gravitating towards Area Code. You see me? He's an artist. I see a lot of people gravitating towards that. They like his style. You see me? He's new. He's relatively young in the game, so I'm definitely interested to see where he takes this. He's got great potential. You see me? He's an old artist, but he's a new artist. Got great potential, creativity, sound quality, all that good stuff is there. So you never know where you can reach. But we there for the journey. Yeah man, we there Area Code. One named Grand Rising. We'll check it out. Now we'll be vibing much too longer. You see me? I said gang, let's get it. Oh, before we jump into the video, gang, I'm only 3K away from, I'm only 700 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. So hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy to 10K before, by the end of the year, before January. You see me, for my birthday. That'll be a great Christmas, New Year's, and birthday present. So I appreciate it. Give me just your boy to 10K. Let's get it.
Get up, man. Get up, youth.
Get
up.
up.
Work and believe. I know just believe alone. Really believe in it.
Oh, that sound like T-Bone voice, son. That sound like T-Bone voice.
What are you believing in, man?
Gotta suck off me a long time. When I just chop off pace off food.
One bang entertainment, alright.
Richard and Elon Musk. If I no money for my brain, man, I wear a crack. Them can't see me, all them say I'm break like. Me a start it up.
Hey, we are hola. Like that. You see me, man, say Richard and Amos, when you say man live a great life, all them can't see how them break. Come on.
Gotta suck off me a long time. When I just chop off pace off.
Marcus, the crown, they look bad, you know. The crown, they don't look three bad, man. Go on.
Chop off pace off food. Banger, Richard and Elon Musk. If I no money for my brain, man, I wear a crack. Them can't see me, all them say I'm break like. Me a start it up when I late night. Fuck a go and chop him same time. John, did you get things done? Me want she bang with the white rice. Me want she bang.
Easy. Me like it. Me like it. Me like it. Man say Richard and Elon Musk. If money no on my mind, me no real cry. Then can't see me all in a break like. Yeah, alright. Me like it. Come on.
If I no money for my brain, me no wear a cry. Them can't see me, all them say I'm break like. Me a start it up when I late night. Fuck a go and chop him same time. John, did you get things done?
Bad, alright, rice, this coming.
Me want she bang with the white rice. Me want she bang. Big teeth, me a cook wa. I Louis V pan foot. Gucci down, mama, me say all the boss look. Y'all pussy.
Jeez, you know, Louis V pan foot. Gucci down, how the boss look? How the boss look, man?
How you can cook? Come for that food. The pussy and a 12,000 man a pass through. Big mish.
Well, weird. I can't cook, come for weird.
How you can cook? Come for that food. The pussy and a 12,000 man a pass through. Big mish. Y'all fucking up.
Man say the pussy at $12,000 pass through. How the bomba? That's that. Hey, Area Code. You feel that? Come in.
Mama, me say all the boss look. Y'all pussy clean. How you can cook? Come for that food. The pussy and a 12,000 man a pass through. Big mish. Y'all fucking up.
Say your pussy you can cook. Comfy dog food. I am a bit. Holy shit. Weird. Nah, dog. Hey, era code youth. Go on.
How you can cook? Come for that food. The pussy on a 12,000 man a pass through. Big mish, y'all a fucking a coat. Big teeth, y'all a fucking a cook. Wow, y'all a suck off me like bang then Richard.
Y'all a suck off me knee like toe. Oh, Lord, wait.
Y'all a suck off me like bang then Richard and Elon Musk. You wanna just chop off a piece of food. Y'all a suck off me like greedy them Richard and Elon Musk. You wanna chop off a piece of food. If I no money for my brain.
Yeah, me know you cry, brother, for the money power brain, brother. You see me? Yeah, man.
When I wear cry, them can't see me, all them see I break like. Me a talk to you dopey when I late night. Fuck a go and chop him same time. John, did you get things done? Me want she bang with white rice. Me want she bang. Wanna see me when a night call me Pato.
Yo, me see why people like the dark vibes. You see me, dark vibes, mad man. The dark have nice vibes. You see me, I say? Yeah, in song name vibes, you know different. Right,
God bless America, dog, got a motto. 9 o'clock, bro, yeah, we jump on the hustle. Friend, I kill friend, just for the top of bank account again, we attack. Every client, me chat to them pay, The too wicked, I chop the whole lady. How much you chain round me neck with 24K, Y'all suck off me like bang.
Go and body up. Hey!
Then Richard and Elon Musk. And I just chop off a piece of food. If I no money for my brain, me no wake right. Them can't see me, all them say I break like. Me a talk to you dopey when I late night. Buck a go and chop him same time. John, did you get things done?
John. Go on.
Me want she bang with the white rice. Me want she bang. Big teeth, me a cook. A Louis V pan foot. Gucci down, mama, me say how the boss look. Girl, the pussy cleaner, and you can't cook. Come for that food. The pussy on a 12,000 man a pass through. Big mish, y'all a fucking hot cook.
Go on, show.
Big teeth, y'all a fucking hot cook. Y'all a suck off me like toss. Bang them Richard and Elon Musk. You wanna just chop off a piece of food.
Why no man, blood bleed. Wanna just chop off a piece of food. Blood and skirt. Easy now, man. Yeah, man, here a code. Grand Rising. Yeah, man, the man say, yo, if I no money for my mind, me no rake right. Them can't see me, all see a brake light. Oh, I'm tear dog. Book a skull and chop him same time. I'm tear. Yeah, man, no jokes. Get to work, man. Yeah, man, here a code. Grand Rising. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Rock with era code vibes, and seems like y'all rock with him too. A lot of people rock with him. You see me? I say he's a young artist, a older dude, but young artist up and coming. And if he keep the vibes and thing and keep on just the same trend, he can go far in a business, in a industry. No cap. You see me? Yeah, man. So era code, we're interested to see what you got in store for us, how far you take this. You see me? We'll definitely keep an eye on you and keep an eye on you and see where you take this, where your career grow. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. But if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know, say, yo, a Jam Biscuit and send it, you see me? And let me know what your favorite part is in the comment section. Beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's chop it up, man. You see me? Yeah, gang, if you make it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe button. Become part of the gang. Become part of the CBC gang, the Caribbean Bag Chasers. Become part of the Dan Mafia. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, gang, cause in the CBC gang, man, you make every day count. You go towards your dreams and your aspirations and get that bag, money. You see me? We're not lapse. Stay focused and stay up on the grind. You see me? I say, no lazy people, no idlers, no people without ambition part of the gang. You see me? I say, gang. Well, anyway, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Appreciate y'all, the love and support. We're on the way to 10K. You already know. Yeah, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. You see me? I say, love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.